Many local races on the ballot. The biggest statewide race, however, will decide a seat on Pennsylvania's Supreme Court. Democratic Allegheny County Judge Dwayne Woodruff is running against Republican Justice Sally Mundy, who was appointed to the court last summer to fill an unexpired term. There's also a statewide ballot question that may be a little confusing at first glance. It asks whether the legislature should have the authority to let counties, municipalities, and school districts exclude up to the full value of residents' homes from taxation. It could be a step toward property tax relief, but could also lead to higher income tax, sales tax, or possibly something else.
The polls opened at 7 o'clock this morning. Turnout is expected to be light since it's one of those off election days.
Absolutely. But still, it's important that you know your rights when it comes to making sure your vote is counted this election day. Attorney Whitney Hughes with the Allegheny County Bar Association's lawyer referral service is here with some frequently asked questions at the polls. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Whitney.
Busy day.
Yeah.
Indeed. Even though it is the off election, right? It's not the presidential election.
It's not. And, you know, you're right. You do expect turnout to be lighter, but these are important races, especially the judiciary and local races, the referendum that's on the ballot. There's important things that you need to consider.
So the big issue with the presidential election last year was, you know, voter fraud and people illegally casting votes and things not being counted correctly. What do you do to make sure that your vote is truly counted and is correct?
Well, I mean, the first thing you need to keep in mind is you hear a lot about voter ID. You don't need to show ID when you're going to the polls unless it's your first time voting. If it's your first time voting, then you need to have a driver's license, utility bill, something showing that you are who you are and you're entitled to vote at that polling place. If for some reason there's some glitch with your being listed on the poll or on the register or anything like that, cast what's called a provisional ballot. That means that you're still allowed to go in and vote. It's just that once they then go back and verify things, that's when they'll be able to, you know, make sure that you are who you say you are and you're where you're supposed to be.
Now, how about if you have a disability and you need assistance at the polls?
Ask for it. Ask for help.
Okay.
Absolutely. Let someone in the polling place know that you have a disability. You are entitled to take someone in with you. So if you're elderly, you can take, you know, your child, your grandchild, somebody that comes along to help you. It just can't be your employer, someone that's sitting on the board of elections, someone who's somehow connected with the election process. So let them know that you need help. Once you get the help and go in and register or go in and vote, next time you're registered as needing help, so it's not that big of a deal.
Gotcha.
What do you do if you recognize a problem? With the new polls, obviously, you'll see the electronic screen, you'll go through, you'll see the checklist of who you voted for, you have to approve all of that, but once you're done, what if you notice that there's something wrong?
Pull somebody right away. Don't wait. Let them know that there's a problem, let them know what the problem is. Usually they will call somebody else over to verify what's happening, and then they'll take it from there. There are numbers that you can call, which should be listed on the Bar Association's website if you have problems with voting, that you can report those problems as well.
What if your name doesn't appear on the list, the ballot list? You get there and they don't have your name. Are you stuck?
You're not necessarily stuck, no. That's when you take something to show that you are who you say you are and that you're entitled to vote there. Always ask to cast a provisional ballot as well. This is why whenever you're moving, make sure that you're changing all of these things well in advance so you're not dealing with this on election day.
And what is a provisional ballot exactly?
Basically, it says that I'm voting and you need to verify that my vote is being cast where it's supposed to be cast.
I see. And I think in your notes you said that is counted sometime within the first week or so of the election.
Yep.
And I love this in your notes and your tips. You said, do not be deterred.
No, I mean, voting can be intimidating.
It's your right, but it's your right.
It is. It's absolutely your right. Sometimes, you know, you see a ton of people in front of the polling place. People are trying to hand you things. The signs are all over the place. They're confusing. Be educated, but go in and vote. We're fortunate to have the ability to vote in this country. You're foolish if you don't use it.
And when's the best time to get the shortest line in theory? Is it early? Is it late? Is it midday? When is it?
Usually midday is probably a shorter line just because most people are working. So they try to come in before.
They vote early.
Right. Or they either vote before work or after work. You know, whenever you can get there, that's the best time.
Good point.
Okay. And I just want to
Thanks,
throw this
Linda.
out there. You did say if there's problems with voting today, you can call 1-877-VOTES-PA. So just keep that in mind if you do experience any problems out there.
Yep.
And we want to thank attorney
Linda.
Whitney Hughes with the Allegheny County Bar Association's Lawyer Referral Service for today's timely advice. And again, remember to get out and vote. Polls are now open and close at 8 o'clock tonight. To find your polling location or to view a sample ballot, you can head to the links and number section at kdka.com.